Hey, I have no idea what to film this week, but it's Monday and it's been raining all morning. School got canceled because apparently rain is very severe. So I'm just sitting here and I was thinking, okay, wouldn't it be a good idea to just go about everyday life and carry around my camera with me all week and take videos of anything interesting that happens, you know, throughout a normal college week. And then I realized that that's just what vlogging is. So this is just gonna be a weekly vlog, but hopefully some interesting things will happen throughout the week. Do you wanna see the rain? It's extremely severe. Alright, so what are you working on?
So it's for my drawing concept class, abstract, 2 colors. I guess we'll see where it goes.
We'll see where it takes us. What do you want to say? What do you want to say to the world?
Let's see, worldly advice. Let's just try and stay happy.
Aw, Dad.
That's my best advice.
That's the most serious you've ever been on a phone call. Stay positive.
Because the world's a shit show.
Oh my god, the rain's terrible. The little things. It's the little things in life.
Making banana pancakes. My friend. Ready, action.
Oh,
Be
Valentine.
natural.
You didn't have to.
I really didn't have to. But I did. I love you. Here's a second-hand Valentine.
Thank you for the nourish. Oh, Pam, it really is just the toiletries from your bathroom. Oh, and the German lollipops. You know, someone asked if you were like English or
Really?
something. Yeah, I think you give
I'm
off
German.
energy.
Trabensuka.
Oh yeah, I can probably translate this.
Oh wait, it's not
Zucker
focused.
means suck.
It's cherry. There you go. Oh, that bubble. Bean soup. Making banana pancakes. Some sugar.
Zucker.
You said earlier you said sugar means suck. It means sugar.
I think it means sugar, yeah.
A bubble.
But baby, you see that it's just raining.
Is it raining?
There ain't no need. Ain't no need, ain't no need.
Oh, where'd she go? Update, I'm still at Cam's. I'm gonna come in the bathroom. Nothing interesting happened today, if I'm being honest. It's the coldest it's ever been. I took a women's studies class. I learned a lot about privilege. What else? Oh, and class is delayed again. Tomorrow. Until, I think 10 or 11. So, snow day! This is Angie's basil. We're gonna plant it and paint little pots together. It looks like vomit. Struggling.
Okay. You have to make it.
Yeah.
Halle.
Fart Raider.
Oh.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
That was good. Juicy.
10 out of 10. He's really going.
That's pretty good.
The back cover like 5-year-old.
No, we should rate it on like where
things.
where we would let one rip.
And they were all like, whoa, bro, that was a good one.
Listen to this
My
one, guys.
turn.
Listen to this one.
I'm also just now remembering that I had a really serious encounter with a duck.
last night. So I'm gonna go on the internet and see if that means something deep. This is great. Oh, this is so exciting. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna be my kids.
Again.
Let me see. Oh my god, congratulations, Ava. Oh my god, that's amazing.
Yes, you did, and good for you, my dear.
Yep.
Well, they don't get too many people who graduated in 3 years and that kind of thing, you know?
Yeah, I suppose. So I'm gonna be in New York next year.
I am so excited for you, honey.
I know.
And I'm so proud.
Thank you, boo.
Hey guys, it's Wednesday. Excuse me, let me pause my coming of age music. I was just pretending that I was in a movie. Anyway, I just finished class. It was communications. We're writing another speech. I think it's about cancel culture, which is pretty interesting. We were put into breakout rooms 2 times for 10-minute periods. So almost 50% of my class time was spent in a breakout room. And it was silent the whole time. It was just 10 minutes of no cameras and everyone was muted. So there's just like a silent agreement between everyone to not talk. It's very educational and I like it. It's a great class. I'm about to go thrifting because I'm all done with my work. I'll see what I can find. I want to expand my closet. I mean, there's a good amount of items in here. Like, I've kind of boiled down my favorites. And now I have like a nice variety of things to choose from, but I only choose the same 6 or 7 things to wear every day. And a lot of them are very neutral colors. Like, I only wear the same 2 or 3 pairs of pants. My style hasn't been very feminine recently, and I don't think that's a bad thing at all. But sometimes I put stuff on and I feel like it doesn't really reflect my mood, if you know what I mean. I like to dress based on how I'm feeling. And this is, you know, very casual, very, oh, I'm about to be sustainable, but, you know, on a bright sunny day, I wouldn't typically go for this. My pants are unzipped. Hey, what's that? It's a fit check. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. I don't really think this looks that good. Then again, what is good? Art. Block colors are in. And technically these are blocked.
How his face was carved and ripped with wrinkles.
So cute.
Right?
Okay, let's see what else.
Okay. Thinking crop this.
Okay.
Look cute. Also, I don't know. I like the print on this.
Oh, I
And
like
it's
the little flowers.
huge, right?
No, you can make it cute.
But I think I could even wear it as a dress with some like cute little tights.
Yeah. Okay, try on haul, kind of. I got 4 items. Pops of color, not so much, but we did get something. It could use some cropping for sure, but you could layer it. Oh, it's terrible. Okay, this one is actually really gross at the bottom, but imagine it a few inches shorter. Bye. It's raining pretty hard. Let's go face the weather. Who is that?
Not a bird.
Not a Fruta. Okay.
Some cinnamon.
The little things. First little moment of the day. I just made these vegan buffalo jalapeno poppers. I think I just had a child. It's so good. Picnic. Hey, we go to this place and it's like Chipotle but for sushi. So you get to pick what you want in it and they just roll it right there for you. So what'd you got?
I got a veggie, some avocado, jalapenos, carrots.
And this one's mine. And it's tofu and sweet potato and cucumber and spinach. And you'll never guess what I'm doing in this moment. Right now. Okay. My hands are shaking. My computer's so crusty. Yeah! I just got an apartment! Okay. Woo, woo, woo! Lunchtime. It's 1 a.m. Oh, nope. It's 12 a.m. And I just finished this book. I don't think I'm gonna be able to sleep for a while, but I just wanted to give this little vlog an outro. It was really strange. It's a very interesting week. It's kind of nice to look back on the highlights and remember that in between all the crazy stuff, there was a lot of fun, exciting new stuff that went on. And honestly, whenever I go through my weeks, I kind of forget about all the good stuff sometimes, so it's nice to play them all back for myself. Especially after reading something depressing like this that makes me contemplate life a little bit. I think watching these clips back will be a little bit uplifting. I'm gonna go to bed now, or try to, and I'll see you next week. Auf Wiedersehen. C'est la vie. Yes. Bye.